So this is a custom bike. And you see we have the engine and this thing. I don't know what this is called.
That's your header that Daddy built.
Header. And this is like where the seat's gonna go, but we don't have the seat yet. We still need parts. And here's the engine. This kind of looks like a drift engine. So still have a couple of parts missing. We already have the things right there for it.
The body.
So that I'll just call them plates. Plates for it.
That's your body, son.
Body.
Hold that part right there.
That one goes right here.
That piece goes on there. Alright, but anyway, what we doing now, we looking at it. Go ahead and take that off, son. That was a street bike, which had you had a chainsaw motor to start with on there, and it was too small, and the clutch didn't work. It was it wasn't going to be enough for it. So I put this motor on it that we got now, it's 5.5, and we put it on there. As you can see, the carburetor comes out the side. I did some head
and
work.
Here's the strain.
I did some, get out of the way, son. Alright, there you go. You've been blocking the light. I did some head work, worked on the valves, and changed the sprock, the shock where, you know, it could be, the bike could be actually lifted up. But I mounted the body while it was on the ground, so it would be sitting low. And the header I took, and I built a header for it. It come out and went back to the back and just worked right out the back. But at this point, we're going to take this motor off and let it go, son.
And put it on the drifter.
Do what now?
And we're gonna take this motor off, put it on the drifter, drive right over there.
Which is going to be mounted right here, and then which is going to come right onto this part here, right?
Yes, sir. So first we're gonna build that one, the drifter, and then this one. This one already looks done, but you might think the seat is all we need, but we don't. We still need.
I actually have the seat, son. It's made. Actually, it's made out of a.
So we already have the seat.
Right. We have the seat. It's just not covered. What's going to happen is we made this out of a. If you hold that right there, son, and we made that out of a part of the seat and then turn it over. And that's part of a wheelchair footrest that we took off. This gonna
set it right there.
It's gonna mount like that.
And you can lift.
And what you do is you lift it up.
And you can see the engine.
Right, and you can check. Actually, you're checking your shock. You'll be able to adjust your shock actually. And it's totally different than what it was. We cut the frame down, lowered it down. And
we already have the buttons for it and stuff right here.
Everything worked. Everything worked on it except for
the engine.
The gear assembly.
The gear.
That goes from the block here to the carrier bearing for the two gears, which made these two chains with two different sizes. So, and I haven't got that done yet. So, when we get that done, we'll put a different motor on and be doing the same thing. But at this point, it's easier for us to take that motor and put it on the three-wheeler, which we're gonna do. We'll probably take that motor off tonight and set it aside and work on the mount tomorrow. But that's the motor mounting part of it. So we'll be back with something else when we get something different. And Chan, what you got to say about it?
It might take like a month or two, a week to finish it.
How long?
A week or two, or
no, it shouldn't take that long, son. A couple days we should have it done.
A couple more days.
Then we'll be riding. All right. Tell them thanks for watching, and we'll be glad to help. Just leave a message or something. All right.